Namaste children. Today let me move on to the next topic, IT applications. We cannot imagine the world without computers or gadgets nowadays. Am I right children? Now let us see how IT applications play important role in every sphere of life. The various application areas are business, banking, insurance, education, marketing, healthcare, engineering design, military, communication, animation, research, agriculture and government. IT in home computing. Let us see how we are going to use the computers in home. For maintaining household expenditure, we can use the system. For playing games, to surf the web, to create music, to send any email, and for what we can use, you can do puzzles in computer, you can play audio, you can see movies, you can use it for studying online courses, you can do online shopping, everything you can do with the help of computer. So most of your parents are doing work from home. Am I right children? They are not going for job. Okay. What they are doing? They are doing work from home. IT in everyday life. In home, we are using washing machine, microwave oven and many other products which have embedded software. We can store all our important programs, schedules, appointments in system. Okay. IT in library. Nowadays, many libraries are computerized. They are using computer software for issuing the book. Each book has a barcode to keep track of books and availability of a specific book. IT in workplace. In workplace, internet and office applications form the basis of modern business. Computers and computer applications are used to perform office work effectively. IT in education. Computers and information technology are extensively used in education for teaching, learning and assessment. ICT in the classroom. Audiovisual technology is very useful. In many schools, they started teaching using smart boards. Okay. We can learn from anywhere, anytime. Any student can access the NCERT books through online. Next, teaching aids and media. For this, we can take the present situation as example. How you are all learning now from home children? You are not coming to school, no? How you are learning? Through Google Drive. You are downloading the files from Google Drive and you are reading. Am I right children? Which was created by teachers. How they are teaching now? They are creating the presentation or audio file or video file and uploading that using Google Drive. From there you are downloading and reading. So teachers are using it as aids, teaching aids. Okay, next one is LMS. The expansion of LMS is Learning Management System. Learning Management System is being used to manage school systems. In this system, you can learn lessons anytime and anywhere. You can submit queries, getting replies. You can even give comments through forums. You can even participate in the co-curricular activities. Next one is IT in entertainment. IT had a major impact on the entertainment industry. We can download movies, games from the internet. We can even chat. We can use multimedia effects. You can use visual and sound effects using computers. IT in communication. Modern communication make use of the computer system. We use computers for email, chatting and video conferencing. To transfer file also we are using the computer. For transferring files, we are using the two protocols. What are they? One is Telnet, another one is FTP. The expansion of FTP is File Transfer Protocol. Next one is IT. IT in business. Computers are used in business organizations for payroll calculation, budgeting, sales analysis, financial forecasting, managing and maintaining stocks. IT plays an important role in business environment. E-commerce includes buying and selling products and services over the internet, electronic fund transfers, smart cards and digital cash, and all other ways of doing business over digital networks. Flipkart and Amazon are the examples of e-commerce. Airlines use large-scale computer application for their reservation system, both in the airports and in central reservation call centers. IT in science and engineering. To perform complex scientific calculations, we are using the computer. So, scientists and engineers use computers for performing complex scientific calculations. Computer-aided design or computer-aided manufacturing applications are used for drawing, designing and for simulating and testing the designs. To visualize three-dimensional objects, we are using the computer. To launch rocket and space exploration, we are using the computer. Okay, children. So far, we learnt some of the IT applications. Let me continue few more in next class. Thank you, children.